In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Pandadoc, specifically geared towards those of you enjoying a free trial. We'll walk through some basic steps to set you up for success as you begin utilizing all the powerful features that Pandadoc offers. First, let's open your web browser and head over to the Pandadoc website. This is the platform where you'll start managing all of your documents more efficiently. Pandadoc claims to help you create, approve, track, and esign documents about 40% faster, which means more efficiency and productivity in your daily work. Once you arrive at their homepage, you'll see a login button. Clicking on this will lead you to the login page. Here, simply enter your credentials to access the dashboard. If you've just signed up for the free trial, these details should have been emailed to you, so make sure you have them handy. After logging in, you'll find yourself on the Pandadoc homepage. This is your main hub where you can access all of the different features. To get a feel for the platform, take a moment to glance around and familiarize yourself with the layout and available options. This page gives you an overview of your recent activities and pending tasks, keeping your workflow organized right in front of you. The next step is to create your first document. This is a pivotal part of utilizing Pandadoc, as it's designed to streamline the creation process. On the left side, you will see an option that says, Create your first document. Click on it, and a new window will open where you can either upload an existing file or create one from scratch. Pandadoc supports a variety of file types, including PDFs and Word documents, which gives you flexibility in choosing the type of document that best suits your needs. Once you have your document selected or created, Pandadoc provides you with multiple tools to enhance it, such as adding text, images, tables, and signature fields. You can also set up templates for frequently used document types, saving you even more time in the future. Try experimenting with these options to see just how customizable each document can be, making it a perfect fit for your requirements. Now that your document is ready, it's time to put one of Pandadoc's standout features to work, the esign functionality. With just a few clicks, you can send your document out for signatures, which is especially useful for closing deals and contracts fast. You'll also be able to track the progress of your documents seamlessly, and there you have it. You're now set up to begin making the most of Pandadoc's features during your trial. By leveraging this tool, you should find your document management not only gets easier, but more streamlined, freeing up your time to focus on other important tasks. Thanks for joining me today, and happy document managing.